Hey, and welcome back to Speak Better English. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. Okay, I am so happy you're here today. Seriously.
Me too. And before we start, can I just say, today's topic is one of my absolute favorites.
Oh, really? Why?
Because every single English learner needs this. Every single one. We're talking about how to talk about yourself in English.
The classic. And I know some people hear that and think, oh no, not this again.
Right. It sounds simple, but trust me, it's not as easy as it looks.
Exactly. And today, we are going to make it easy. Really, genuinely easy. No fluff, just real, useful English.
We have a formula, real examples, pronunciation tips, vocabulary, and my personal favorite part.
Practice moments. We stop, you speak, you learn.
By the end of this episode, you will feel ready. I promise.
Let's go.
Okay, Sarah, quick question. Why do people find it hard to talk about themselves in English, even intermediate learners?
Ooh, good question, I think. There are 3 big reasons.
Hit me.
Number 1, they don't know where to start. You open your mouth and then nothing comes out.
We've all been there. That horrible silence.
Number 2, they try to translate from their own language, word by word.
And that never works, does it?
It really doesn't. English has its own rhythm, its own flow. You can't just copy the structure of Arabic or Spanish or Chinese.
And number 3?
Number 3, people think they need perfect English to introduce themselves. Like, if it's not perfect, they shouldn't speak at all.
Oh, that one breaks my heart. Because it's just not true.
Not true at all. Simple English is good English. Say it with me, listeners. Simple English is good English.
Beautiful. So today, we fix all 3 problems, step by step. Ready?
Always ready.
All right. Let's start with the foundation, the formula. Sarah, take it away.
Okay, so introducing yourself in English? 3 steps. Just 3. You ready?
Ready.
Step 1, your name and where you're from. Simple. My name is Sara. I'm from Spain. That's it. Done.
Beautiful. Step 2?
Step 2, your job or your studies. So you say, I work as a teacher, or I study engineering, or simply, I'm a student.
And step 3?
Step 3, one thing you like. One hobby, one interest. Like, I love cooking. I like football. I enjoy reading.
Name, job, hobby. 3 steps. That's your introduction.
And here, listen to the full version. Hi, my name is Sara. I'm from Spain. I work as a teacher, and I love cooking.
Beautiful, natural, simple. You don't need a speech. You don't need fancy words.
Just 3 steps.
Now here's something important. Those 3 steps, they're your minimum, your starting point. Today, we're going to build on them. Add layers. Make your introduction go from good to memorable.
Ooh, I like that. From good to memorable.
Okay, listener, your turn. Pause the podcast right now.
Seriously, pause it. Say your name, your country, and one thing you like. Out loud. Don't just think it, say it.
We'll wait. Good job. Seriously, that was your first step. Let's keep building. Okay, the formula is great, but we want it to sound natural, not robotic, not like you're reading from a form.
Right. And here's one simple trick that changes everything.
The word because.
Yes, such a small word. Such a big difference.
Listen to this. I like music. Okay, fine. Now listen. I like music because it makes me feel calm.
Hear the difference? The second one sounds like a real person, not a robot.
Exactly. Because adds personality. It adds you to your introduction.
Here are some examples. Repeat after me, listeners. I enjoy cooking because I love trying food from different countries. I like football because it's exciting and I love being part of a team. I love reading because every book takes me somewhere new.
That last one is mine, by the way.
Of course it is.
Now a useful phrase here. Instead of just because, you can also say, which is why I love, and that's why I enjoy. It really helps me to
So instead of I like music because it relaxes me, you could say I love music. It really helps me unwind after a long day.
Unwind. Great word. It means to relax, to de-stress. UNWIND. Unwind.
Save that one, use it. Okay, take your hobby from challenge 1. Now add because, or use one of Adam's phrases.
Say it out loud. Go.
Perfect! You're doing really well. I mean it.
Okay, pronunciation time. This is important. Sara, you ready?
Always.
Tip number 1. The word from. Many learners say I am from Spain. Long vowel, like room. But the correct way is I'm from Spain. Short. Quick. From.
From. Like drum. From.
Repeat after me. From. I'm from Spain. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan.
Good. Tip number 2. I'm versus I am. In conversation, we almost always say I'm, not I am.
I'm from Canada natural. Relaxed. I am from Canada a little stiff. A little formal.
Unless you're being very emphatic. Like, I am from Canada, why does everyone think I'm American?
Yes. Emphasis. Stress. That's when you use I am.
Tip number 3. Word stress. This is so important for sounding natural.
Let's practice a few words. Repeat after me. Enjoy. The stress is on joy, not enjoy. Because stress, on cause. Interested, 3 syllables. Interested.
And one more, introduce. Many people say introduce, but it's introduce. The stress is at the end.
Introduce. Introduce. Say it a few times. It should feel almost musical.
Introduce. Introduce.
Exactly like that. Okay, next level. Let's talk about personality words. Because a great introduction doesn't just say what you do, it says who you are.
And the good news? You only need a few simple words. A 2 level, nothing scary.
Here are some of my favorites. Repeat after me. Friendly. I'm a friendly person. Quiet. I'm quite quiet. Hardworking. I'm hardworking. Creative. I'm creative. Curious. I'm curious. I love learning new things. Organized. I'm quite organized. Easygoing. I'm pretty easygoing.
Easygoing. I love that word. It means relaxed, calm, not stressed. Easy. Going.
I am not easygoing, for the record.
No, you're really not.
Moving on.
Now here's the important tip. Don't just say the word. Show it. Give a small example.
Not just, I'm creative, but I'm creative. I love drawing, and I make things with my hands. But
Not just I'm hardworking. But I'm hardworking, I always try to finish what I start.
that's the difference between a boring introduction and one people actually remember.
Okay, now let's hear from real learners. From different countries. These are real. A2 level introductions.
Listen carefully. Notice the structure. Notice the personality.
First, meet Liam from Canada. Hi, my name is Liam. I'm from Canada, from a city called Toronto. I study computer science and I like hiking because I love being outside and clearing my head. I think I'm quite curious. I'm always reading about new technology.
Simple, clear, personal. You know something real about Liam.
Next, Mia from Germany. Hello! My name is Mia. I'm from Germany, from a small town near Munich. I work in a cafe, and I love music because it helps me unwind. I'm quite creative. I also paint in my free time.
I love that one. It helps me unwind. Great phrase. And notice she added a second hobby. That's fine. It adds depth.
Now, Carlos from Mexico. Hi, I'm Carlos. I'm from Mexico City. I'm a student. I study business. I really enjoy football because it's exciting and it teaches me about teamwork. I think I'm quite easygoing. I get along with most people.
Carlos sounds like a great person to have at a party.
Right? Good energy, Carlos.
And finally, Priya from India. My name is Priya. I'm from India, from a city called Pune. I work as a nurse, and I love cooking because I like to try food from different countries. I'm hardworking, and I care a lot about the people around me.
Beautiful. That last line, I care a lot about the people around me. So simple, so powerful.
Notice all four introductions use our three steps: name, job, hobby, plus because, plus a personality, word or line. All right, let's add another layer. Daily life. Because talking about your routine makes you sound real and human.
People connect with real-life details. It's not just about your job title, it's about your world.
Here are some useful phrases. Repeat after me. Every day, I. In the mornings, I usually. After work, I like to. On weekends, I. I spend a lot of time.
And here are some examples. Every day, I go to work, and then I cook dinner. It's my way of relaxing. On weekends, I like to go for long walks and listen to podcasts. I spend a lot of time reading, usually before bed.
That last one is definitely me.
Now, here's a great phrase. I'm the kind of person who
Ooh, I love that one.
I'm the kind of person who loves mornings. I'm the kind of person who always has a book nearby. I'm the kind of person who loves meeting new people.
That phrase, I'm the kind of person who, it's natural, it's warm, and it tells people exactly who you are. Use it. Now let's go a little deeper. Dreams, goals, aspirations. This is where your introduction goes from okay to unforgettable.
I love this part.
Because when you share a dream, people remember you. Not your job title, not your city, your dream.
Here are the key phrases. I want to, I hope to, my dream is to, one day, I would like to, I'm working towards.
And here are some examples. Repeat the ones that feel true for you. I want to travel to Japan one day. I hope to speak English fluently by the end of this year. My dream is to open my own business. One day, I would like to live near the sea. I'm working towards becoming a better version of myself.
That last one, I'm working towards becoming a better version of myself. That's beautiful,
And true for most of us, I think.
including us.
Okay, important topic. How to sound confident, but not arrogant.
Because there's a difference. Confident means you believe in yourself. Arrogant means you think you're better than others.
We want confident, definitely not arrogant.
Here's the trick. Use I think and I believe.
Listen, I am the best student in my class. Arrogant. I think I work hard and I always try my best. Confident. Perfect.
Or, I believe I'm a good listener. I think I'm quite creative at least. That's what people tell me.
That last one is great. That's what people tell me. It's humble and confident at the same time.
And remember, being honest is always more attractive than being perfect.
Say that again, Sarah.
Being honest is always more attractive than being perfect.
Good. Write that down, listeners. Okay, common mistakes. Let's fix them. Fast and clean.
Mistake number 1.
Saying, I am having, instead of, I have. I am having a cat. Wrong. I have a cat. Correct. State verbs have, like love, know, understand. We don't usually use them in the ing form.
Mistake number 2. Forgetting articles a, an, the. I am student. Wrong. I am a student. Correct. I am engineer. Wrong. I am an engineer. Correct. And before vowel sounds.
Mistake number 3. Wrong verb form after enjoy and like. I enjoy to cook. Wrong. I enjoy cooking. Correct. After enjoy and like, we use the ing form. Always. I like swimming. I enjoy reading. I love dancing.
Mistake number 4, and this one is subtle, saying, I am from Spain. Wrong. No article with country names. I am from Spain. Correct. No a, no the.
Unless it's a name with the built-in like the United Kingdom or the United States.
Good point. 4 mistakes. Now you won't make them.
Okay, phrase time. This is the section you want to save. Screenshot it. Write it down. Stick it on your wall.
Here are 25 essential phrases for talking about yourself. Adam, take it away.
Here we go. Listen and repeat. 1. My name is 2. I'm from 3. I live in 4. I work as a 5. I'm a student. I study 6. I like because 7. I enjoy. 8. In my free time. 9. I'm interested in. 10. I think I'm. 11. I'm quite. 12. I want to. 13. My dream is to. 14. I hope to. 15. Nice to meet you. 16. I'm happy to be here. 17. Let me introduce myself. 18. One thing I love is. 19. I believe I'm. 20. I'm the kind of person who. 21. I'm working towards. 22. It helps me to. 23. I spend a lot of time. 24. That's what people tell me. 25. I'm still learning. But.
That last one, I'm still learning, but, is so important. It's honest, it's humble, and it's perfect for English learners.
I'm still learning, but I try my best. Say that with a smile and people will love you. Okay, now let's put everything together. Here is a full model introduction. A2 to B. 1 level. Natural, real. Listen carefully.
This uses everything we learned today.
Ready? Here we go. Hi, my name is Adam. I'm from the United Kingdom, from a city called London, though I've lived in a few different places. I work as a teacher, and I really enjoy reading because I love learning new things. Every book teaches me something different. In my free time, I also like cooking and going for long walks, especially when the weather is nice. I think I'm quite curious and hardworking. I'm the kind of person who always wants to understand how things work. My dream is to travel to more countries and meet people from different cultures. I'm still learning too, in my own way. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Did you hear all the layers? Name, location, job, hobby with because, daily life, personality, dream, humble closing.
And it felt natural. It didn't feel like a list.
Because it wasn't a list. It was a conversation.
Now your turn. Repeat after me. Line by line. Don't rush.
Take a breath. Relax. Ready?
Hi, my name is. Pause. Say your name.
I'm from. Pause. Say your country or city.
I work as. I study. Pause.
I enjoy. Because. Pause. Add your reason.
I'm the kind of person who. Pause. Describe yourself.
My dream is to. Pause. Share something real.
Nice to meet you.
You just introduced yourself in English. A full, natural, real introduction. How does that feel?
Pretty good, right? Okay, fast recap. What did we cover today?
3 steps. Name, job, hobby. That's your foundation.
Add because to sound natural and personal.
Use personality words and show them with examples.
Talk about daily life with phrases like, I'm the kind of person who.
Share your dreams with I hope to, and my dream is to.
Sound confident with, I think, and I believe.
Avoid 4 common grammar mistakes: state verbs, articles, ing forms, country names.
Use the 25 power phrases every single day.
Simple, powerful, real.
And now your weekly challenge.
This week, record yourself. Use your phone. Speak for 1 full minute about yourself in English.
Use everything from today. Name, country, job, hobby, personality, dream, the whole package.
1 minute. You can do it. And when you listen back, don't judge yourself. Just notice. Notice what was good. Notice what you want to improve.
That's how you grow. Not by being perfect, by being consistent.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need real English. Your English.
Thank you so much for listening to Speak Better English. If this episode helped you, share it with one person who's learning English. One person. That's all.
See you next time. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Seriously.
Bye for now.
Bye.